Eja. Eja. Hey. Ghana. Medofo. Eja. Sabakaya. Last Sunday. Not date near 23rd March 2025. Medofo around 7 p.m. Bibi koso. Na come here say nipa be bradwene anye den. Ankoso anase enkoso. Around 6:49, 6:40 thereabout no. Ana Shatta Wale eba live. During Shatta Wale live no. De hu ya ne say Wale ewura dem no akofa powder aba no de powder na be ye nanim. Na ono de all kan nsem na all the powder na isra nanim. After few hours, and you say I'm for started the powder. Hey yo, many content creators, I started use powder no. Nipa dodo na started use powder no. Edi yo many create content. One thing was Shatta Wale ho a medefo we company na marketing department no ona oda no a biewani ye because Shatta Wale activities, Shatta Wale vibe contagious. Aside I say COVID no. Shatta Wale energy aside. Adeni pie free ni mu pie ya. Na sate bora nipa dodo na. Enu nti ade bi ye me wanwa. Since Sunday ebesi enedua yi. Ana yeni powder company bia wo Ghana na. Eni diem your company mu produce powder wo Ghana. Se wonim company bi mu produce powder any day, Mr. Comment section of our brand because maintain your maybe. This is a bigger opportunity. Adia now, dimpa and board dink as a pan say product be ebenya engagement can say online. Usheska companies any shame to market their products now because now no high street near saturated over online and your man a cost no and for a product to get traction, therefore enye easy. Na Shatta Wale etima created this contagious powder effect. Medefo me say opa says ye kan nipa o mani su powder aye o mani eye content e wo online medefo eye uncountable. And our companies ni bi wo Ghana but omo marketing team no omo targeted audience no omo ni online because and maintain o mabi ase. Any de mo ye marketing no. This content is for educational purpose. Momra me comment section na mo ma kire nyoma bi mu ma me bi commenting no ma bi ase. Because your powder company Ghana. Your company will produce powder Ghana. Pa no mun jumping on this trend. Me therefore omo marketing team no mo ho ba me wawa. Ana your powder company bi Ghana na omo marketing team no do da no ne Shatta Wale problem. Ana say your companies ni bi Ghana but ma reach out to Shatta Wale na bia sika na Shatta Wale eji omu no mu ntimi ntua because mente hwe ase because bit of way free publicity and it say your company will produce powder and ma say bia omu ne Wale trans in 10 times so no ma sign bi na within because we no so we smart to make ma cash out because the powder effect in the middle for day in, day out, grow because very entertaining, resonating with the people. And the companies need to all then. Ghana for the year slow. Medafo, why we name Nigerian company be our produce powder be no. Montagi omo. I think says microphone in the multi business I say. Because in Pempino, Ghana they just say Obia use bibia manipa ne nyamfa so be bransa no mu na jump on it. Company bia produce powder Ghana. Say any companies be sanso omo je powder free different countries no. Mo so mo che den. Mo wholesale ma stock powder yen tono. What would they make no? This is a good opportunity. And I'm in for me kokotin kwatena se. Asia. Wale. Mama yempe company be na any omunko contract no mo me produce powder no my na any omunko contract. Yeah, they are ready because me them inteshe ase. Yeah, because I think say Nansen Kivo Gary and these people they jump on some trend and they boa omo. What you say? Now no, come here and say engagement is ka. Who product enya engagement kese ewo online automatic obe feska. And now people shop more from the online. Medafo enunti se onua bi ewo marketing agency ni mu a na omu produce a product like powder. I think say mon can show mo reach out to Shatta Wale because powder effect ni enya num yo. Wale plan e pa man for say omunya you see. I'm telling you. Wale effect a contagious. Wale effect. Wait na e wono. Menya sure say company bia na one Wale be sign contract say on projecting a powder products no obebo kada. But therefore Wale effect a contagious. Eh? Energy edi Wale echi no. Ehu. And I think say me kwase me hwema ene Ghanaian companies no omo da e wo Shatta Wale ho. Yeah, frankly speaking, ene bi omo da wo Wale ho ana Junior ana omo ba bu omo ntimi ntia. Papa ebo no soso atete so mom na no munya adwuma. Won tia say, Papa, we effect we dey no. Eh no, ebi ma Ghana da. Wale energy on. Me nya sure say ebi aba Ghana entertainment industry ni mu da. There be. Hwe. Muma ye nyina ye nkwa na obi adi nachi. Papa, I need him tete bone sumo no mo no onya adwuma. Tete sumo mo. No mo no onya adwuma. Na boys no mo street ni nya adwuma nye. Because it's a company or yes smart a jumpy on Shatta Wale powder trend we are made of obe fresca bruta. Obe fresca bruta. Eh, Mr. Mo comment section I say munim company a omo betima produce powder amamia animanim ya Mr. Mo for omo link mami say and I say o de bramidi emu ne phone number mami. I think say we say this cash dey we because ye ma dey we nkokwada because e scan kwa na ye twagu no. Ade achi bi scan na ye hye
Batman, you they say darkness of powers. You put there where you put one can show say you be darkness of powers. Mama, today I want to show you say, you see if they say, man, if you worry me, I want to show you post something. If you worry me, if you saw you go to see me for a dream, today I will show you post powder. If you see, if they say darkness of power, it means this. If they say darkness of powers, if you mean this, I be your if they say principality, if you mean this, screenshot them. Because you know how many screenshots they do for people where they teach people say, Bonah, if you not stand for yourself, they will kill you for this country inside. Me, make I show you more powder.